Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anim Klesha. Huh? Achoo! Ara? Kurami? That was a cute sneeze. Perhaps someone is talking about you? It's the only sneeze. What kind of interpretation is that? Capital of Elvengard. With a string of reports finally done, Fi came back. Kurami then drummed a finger in front of Fi. The instruction that Sora gave using the odds. The false report about the game content and the lifting of it. Amazing! The successful false report would definitely cause the Elvengard to lose. Gently smiling, Kurami walked forward with Fi following behind. Fi, did you predict until this point? Although unhappy, but I can't. The prediction that Sora would allow Elvengard to lay the fence surrounding the Eastern Union. The best use of it must be this. We perfectly executed it out. Fi and Kurami were too twisted to be able to do everything. On the contrary, they had fun doing it. Hearing that sentence, Kurami walked in silence. Fully exposed to Sora's memories and consciousness, Kurami, Shiro, and Miko are the same. In this world, one of the very few people fully grasped Sora's method. The method depicted out that could conquer this world. The strategies he drew on the map. His name was also engraved on it. It was certainly a problem. But facing this kind of problem, Kurami did not show any anxiety or despair. Saying that kind of memory and the battle with the Eastern Union, Kurami thought. In the battle of King Selection, he grabbed onto her chin, stared at her eyes, and uttered out, "Don't underestimate humans." She couldn't help but laugh at the irony. She herself said that human species have their limits, yet she herself was also a human. If I'm not wrong, I feel Kurami has changed a little. It must be the impact of that man's memories. What's the problem? I may never be able to see the crybaby Kurami anymore. Makes me feel a little lonely. I didn't cry. But changing her expression, Fi said with a serious look. Kurami, that man, even if you want to become like Sora-san, I know, I don't have his self-confidence. Shiro. Indeed, although Sora could do a lot of things, he didn't have the self-confidence if not for the absolute existence of Shiro. The weak shall maintain the identity of weak to defeat the strong. But I have Fi. I'll definitely able to find my way to see you. Myself as myself. I shall find a way to exceed my limits. With a body that couldn't fly, I shall find a method to fly. Kurami felt a little uneasy as she turned to face Fi. Are you willing to help me? Of course I'm willing. As long as it's for Kurami, I don't mind even if the world is two-faced against me. Holding on to Kurami's hands, Fi smiled radiantly. Kurami nodded and moved forward once more. So, we should go, Fi. Okay. Then, Kurami muttered out, causing an internal collapse in the world's biggest country. That's one easy way to put it. For the arduous task Sora conferred, her face was very calm, taking on the path with a clear will. Very well, I'll show it to you. Just you wait, Sora. A determined look appeared on the Kurami's face, exceeding humans with the identity of a human, exceeding the 16 races, exceeding even the god. In order to pursue that, both of them walked onwards. The path that they were heading, the first and foremost, Nagam Life. Okay guys, that's the epilogue of this chapter, volume 3. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next chapter in the next video. Comment down your thoughts in the description down below and see ya.